Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Boats on the big blue sea, sailing so wild and free. Waves go whoosh and fish go splash, sea eagles sing and dolphins dash. Sail, sail, sail away, all through the sunny day, with the wind so bright and bold. Stories on the sea unfold. Tiny boat with a stripy sail tells a tale of a jellyfish trail. Crabs wave claws from sandy shore, calling out, come sail some more. Sail, sail, sail away, all through the sunny day, with the wind so bright and bold. Stories on the sea unfold. Oh, the ocean sings so sweet, with a rhythm soft and neat. Close your eyes and float along to the sea's own sleeping song.
Boats on the big blue sea,
Rock like a cradle, gently.
nighttime falls so quietly.
Good night, boats and me. Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.